I'd like to welcome you all to our North American launch of ATB Coin. Indeed, the new evolution of cryptocurrency.
This is a new technology. We have a solid company behind it. We're going to go beyond micropayment into a local market, international market. The next phase is called cross-border payment. We take care of all the problems that you would deal with, right, with the currency exchange, right, with the consistency of the e-wallet. That's our job. You just enjoy the benefit of it. It has been a fantastic launch. Our audience came in from all over. New York Times, AP, MSNBC, Huffington Post, Tokyo Times also came. It's an international affair.
This is going to happen throughout the world in the coming years.